Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about direct proportion. If the cost of 1 kg of sugar is rupees 36, then what would be the cost of 3 kg sugar? It is rupees 108. Similarly, we can find the cost of 5 kg or 8 kg of sugar. Study the following table. Here you see weight of sugar is 1 kg, cost is rupees is 36. Weight of sugar in kgs when it is 3. The cost in rupees is also 3 times. Weight of sugar in kg is 5, that is into 5 times, and cost in rupees is also 5 times, right? When it is 6 times, it is also 6 times. When it is 8 times, it is also 8 times. When it is 10 times, it is also 10 times. Observe that as the weight of sugar increases, cost also increases in such a manner that their ratio remains constant. Take one more example. Suppose a car uses 4 liters of petrol to travel a distance of 60 km. How far will it travel using 12 liters? The answer is 180 km. How did we calculate it? Since petrol consumed in the second instance is 12 liters, 3 times of 4 liters, the distance traveled will also be 3 times of 60 km. In other words, when the petrol consumption becomes threefold, the distance traveled is also threefold the previous one. Let the consumption of petrol be x liters and the corresponding distance traveled be y kilometer. Now complete the following table. Petrol in liters, that is 4, 8, 12, 15, 20, 25, and distance in kilometer y. We find that as the value of x increases, the value of y also increases in such a way that the ratio x by y does not change. It remains constant. That is say k. In this case, it is 1 by 15. We say that x and y are in direct proportion if x by y is equal to k or k equal to x equal to ky. In this example, 4 by 60 equal to 12 by 180, where 4 and 12 are the quantities of petrol consumed in liters and 60 and 180 are the distances in y in kilometer. So when x and y are in direct proportion, we can write x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. y1 and y2 are the values of y corresponding to the values x1 and x2 of x respectively. The consumption of petrol and the distance traveled by a car in a case of direct proportion is a case of direct proportion. Similarly, the total amount spent and the number of particles purchased is also an example of direct proportion. Think of a few more examples for direct proportion. Check whether Mohan, in the initial example, will take 750 ml of water, 5 spoons of sugar, 2.5 spoons of tea leaves, and 125 ml of milk to prepare tea for 5 persons. Let us try to understand the concept in direct proportion through the following activities. This is the activities. Now we will discuss the various examples here. Here you see this is example 1. The cost of 5 meters of a particular quality of cloth is 210. Tabulate the cost of 2, 4, 10 and 13 meters of cloth of the same type. Suppose the length of cloth is in x meters and its cost is in y. It is given. As the length of cloth increases, cost of the cloth also increases in the same ratio. It is a case of direct proportion. We make use of the relation x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. Here x1 equal to 5, y1 equal to 210. That is we are getting 5 by 210 is equal to 2 by y2. Or you can write y2 as 84. If x3 is equal to 4, that is 4 5 by 100 210 equal to 4 by y3. y3 equal to 168. Also, when x4 equal to 10, then 5 by 210 equal to 10 by y4 or y4 equal to 420. 5 by 210 is equal to 13 by y5 or y5 is equal to 546. Right? An electric pole 40 meters high casts a shadow of 10 meters. Find the height of a tree that casts a shadow of 15 meters under similar conditions. Height of the object in meters 14 and x. Height length of the shadow in meters 10, 15. This is a case of direct proportion. Therefore, we can write x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. That is 14 by 10 equal to x by 15, or the value of x is equal to 21. Example 3. If the weight of 12 sheets of thick paper is 40 grams, how many sheets of same paper would weigh 2.5 kilograms? Number of sheets 12. Here it is x. Weight of sheets is 40 and 2500. Therefore, 12 by 40 is equal to x by 2500, or the value of x is equal to 750. This is an alternative method also. Two quantities x and y which vary in direct proportion have the relation x equal to ky or x by y equal to constant. Here k equal to number of seats by weight of seats in grams, 12 by 40, that is 3 by 10. Now x is the number of sheets of paper which weigh 2.5 kilogram, that is 2500 kilogram. Using the relation x equal to ky, you get x equal to 3 by 10 into 2500, that is 750. Therefore, 750 sheets of paper would weigh 2.5 kilogram. A train is moving at a uniform speed of 75 km per hour. How far will it travel in 20 minutes? Find the time required to cover a distance of 250 km. Let us take this as y, this is y, x. Let us take this distance traveled in kilometer is x and time taken is y. Therefore, since the speed is uniform, therefore the distance covered would be directly proportional to time. Therefore, 75 by 60 is equal to x by 20 and the value of x is 25. So the train will cover a distance of 25 km in 20 minutes. 75 by 60 is equal to 250 by y, or the value of y is equal to 20 minutes. Therefore, 3 hours 20 minutes, 200 minutes, and it is 3 hours 20 minutes. Therefore, 3 hours 20 minutes will be required to cover a distance of 250 kilometers. Alternatively, when x is known, then one can determine y from the relation x by 20 equal to 250 by y. The scale of a map is given as 1 is to 3 0 0 0 0 0 0. Two cities are 4 cm apart on the map. Find the actual distance between them. Let the map distance be x centimeter. The actual distance will be y centimeter. Then 1 is to 3 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 is equal to x is to y. 1 by 3 into the 7 equal to x is to y. Since x is equal to 4, therefore 1 by 3 into the 7, 4 by y, or the value of y equal to 1200 km. The two cities which are 4 cm apart on the map are actually 1200 km away from each other. In the next video, we will do the problems of exercises. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.